Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a tuna and asparagus casserole. So we've got a pot of boiling water on for our pasta and potatoes that we're getting ready to drop in, melting some butter and a little bit of oil. We're going to make a roux. So we're going to go in first with our onions, begin to saute those. Now you can do this all in a Dutch oven or a large pot that's oven safe if you'd like, but we're going to do this and then transfer them over. While that's going, we're going to go ahead and drop our pasta into our salted water. And our potatoes. Cover that. Alright, so we're going to go in with our flour now. Pinch of salt. A couple of cracks of black pepper. Let's turn that around. Alright, you'll see this is a nice khaki color at first. This is more of a blonde roux. A white roux would be where it's basically not, the flour's not cooked at all or browned at all. This would be a blonde, and then you can even go into a brown roux. So you're making a brown gravy. You cook it until the flour or the roux becomes nice and dark brown, and it really develops a nutty flavor when you do that. But we want a blonde for this application. We're going to go in with our milk. Stir this all in together. The roux thickens this. Basically what you have here is a gravy. Add some more milk. Alright, to this we're going to add some lemon zest. Alright, stir that in. This is on very low heat now. I'm just going to let that go for just a minute. Okay, to our gravy here, or our bechamel sauce, we're adding some cheese. When you add cheese, it becomes a Mornay. Just a little bit of cooking trivia for you. Let the heat of that melt that cheese down. You could use this as a base for a macaroni and cheese. Alright. Now add in our canned tuna, which we will fold in, and then we're also going to add some asparagus. Cook up nicely in the oven. Just going to kind of bring all of this together. As soon as our potatoes and our pasta are done, they're going to get folded into this mixture as well. This is going to go in a casserole dish that we've lightly oiled. We're going to bake it at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. We're going to top it with a mixture of breadcrumbs and cheese that we've drizzled with oil and just mixed together. So we're going to set this aside, wait for our pasta and potatoes to finish. All right, so our potatoes and pasta are just about where we need them. So we'll drain these off. Okay, so I'm going to put these straight into the casserole pan. Spread it out just a little bit. Okay, now we can fold this together. Got our asparagus, our potatoes, our pasta, our tuna, our nice cheesy lemony sauce. You just barely want to incorporate that together. Like that. Next thing, I'm going to zest just a little bit more lemon. All right, we're going to top this with our breadcrumb mixture. Okay, so we're ready to pop this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes or so. So we'll do that. We'll come back and give it a check in just a few minutes. All right, our casserole should be about done. And it is, looking nice and golden. So we're gonna pull that out of the oven. Gonna let it cool before we cut it. We'll plate it up and show you the finished product in just a little bit.